Welcome. In this video I will show you how to disable auto turn off or auto sleep timer on your Philips PFS6939 TV. All you have to do is navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen to open settings. On the settings list, select general settings. Here in the general settings, go to power and energy and click OK. And as you can see here, we have three different timers. We have the sleep timer, which is set to off by default. The switch off timer, which decides when your TV turns off, after what time of inactivity your TV goes off. And if you're using your TV as a monitor, for example, you can go to this menu and select off to disable auto turn off for your TV. By disabling auto turn off, you will also disable no signal timer, but if you want to change the auto no signal timer, you can select a different value in here. So if you don't want your TV to turn off automatically, just select off option in here. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.